My final question is, what is the current status of it? What has the court said, and what is the government saying? What is that? And what do you expect in the future? What do you expect? Like which direction, and how is it going to pan out in the future? We know that Dr. Swamy has sort of is one of the petitioner in this case. Whether your organization, where you have fought in many other cases similar to this, are you in any way involved in this?
Let me clarify upfront that we are not involved in this case as of now.
So you are just trying to bring awareness to the situation.
Exactly. Swamy has already filed a petition before the Uttarakhand High Court. This has been issued. Government has submitted its opinion, its counter, and the counter actually doesn't answer the legal issues. Just tries to tarnish Dr. Swamy. It's more like a personal attack. My personal opinion is that you may or may not like Dr. Swamy. It doesn't matter. None of these should actually matter when it comes to a court of law. Dr. Swamy has approached the court with certain legal points by quoting how the Supreme Court has already decided in the Chidambaram judgment that a temple cannot be taken over without any reason, and it cannot be forever. It should be only for correction of mismanagement, if any, and the mismanagement should have been proved, and the period of takeover should also be mentioned. The method of correcting any mismanagement has to be brought out very clearly. And at the end of the specified period, let us say some 2 years, 3 years, or whatever at max, they have to give the temple back to the earlier management, to the community. This is the crux of his argument, right? Of course, about how it violates Article 25 and 26 rights as well. So what I would expect from the government is to answer these points. Whether the person who raises this issue has an ulterior motive or not shouldn't even matter. Until now, I have not seen any proper legal counter by the state government. If the government has no answer except proving that there is an ulterior motive behind this petition, then the possibility for Dr. Swamy to win the case is much, much higher. Perhaps that is why people associated with the government are jumping up and down now.
I guess that also answers the allegation that Dr. Swamy himself has been used as a puppet by some of the other families or some of the other administrators. So in any case, if it is an illegal thing, then it doesn't matter if he's being operated by others, right?
Yeah, exactly. See, that is my point. My point is, even if people are going to say that, the current trustees of temples are using Dr. Swamy as their shield, that is certainly not legal. That is not unconstitutional. On the other hand, if what the government has done is illegal and unconstitutional, it certainly doesn't matter if Swamy is acting on his own or because he has been requested by these families. I mean, these have nothing to do with the case. But the reason why these people seem to be about it is because they don't have any other answer.